Hi students, good evening to all. I am very happy to inform you this year our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Education Minister, HRD Minister, Education Minister have taken a very bold initiative for the benefit of the students. That is, people are very much eagerly waiting JEE mains. What is the special feature of this 2021 JEE mains? Why I am discussing about this JEE main 2021? Because a boon to students community. Our Modi government has given 4 chances. That is 4 chances to the students community. They can appear the examination in the month of February, in the month of March, April, May. First step. February, March, April, May. February 24 sections 23, 24, 25th, 26th. 15 to 18 March. 27 to 30th. 29, 24 to 28. So the following dates have been fixed for the benefit of the students. They can appear the examination for 4 times. First of all, kindly listen. They can apply JEE mains through online, first point. Second point, they can appear the 4 sections at one time. They have to pay the 4 sections fee for at one time. Or they can take the examination 1st February. They can pay the fees. Again, they can pay the fees. Again, another section like this. Or ఒకేసారి ఇట్లా కట్టుకోవచ్చు లేదా టోటల్గా ఒకేసారి కట్టుకోవచ్చు లేదా మంత్ ఆఫ్ ఫిబ్రవరి దే హ్యావ్ టు అపీర్ ఇన్ ది మంత్ ఆఫ్ ఫిబ్రవరి, దే హ్యావ్ టు పే ఇన్ ది మంత్ ఆఫ్ జనవరి. సో అదే లైక్ దట్ యాజ్ పర్ ది డేట్స్ గివెన్ బై ది ఎన్టీఏ, దట్ ఈస్ నేషనల్ టెస్టింగ్ ఏజెన్సీ. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు టెస్టింగ్ ఏజెన్సీ వీ కెన్ పే ది ఫీజెస్. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం February 23, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. 4 sections you can opt to any section. March 15th to 18th. April 27th to 30th. May 24th, 28th. The dates have been fixed by the NTA. You can opt whatever the date, whatever the section you have. Another point. Next another point. You have to appear the examination in your mother tongue. In your mother tongue, that is regional languages. Mother tongue, that is regional languages you can appear. Regional languages lo you have to write the examination. Telugu, Bengali, Malayali, Hindi, English. So whatever you want, you can choose your own mother tongue. That is the most advantage for especially people who do not have access. This is most benefit to the southern states, because students who do not have access with English fluency, they can opt their mother tongue to write the examination. Anyhow, we must appreciate the Narendra Modi ji for his untiring efforts for especially weaker sections and downtrodden community who are not access having any type of coaching centers. This is a boon to especially weaker sections. We have to write in our mother tongue. So he has given chance for 4 times. Which is the highest score? In which section we have the highest score? That score will be considered. Highest score, first, second, third, fourth. Among fourth, which you have to get highest score? That score will be considered for the testing. Second point, if you take February examinations, then you have to draw. Or if you pay the fees for all sections, if you have only attended the February, if you are absent the test, the fees will be refunded by the NTA. So many benefits for the poor, many benefits for the students. So if you pay the fees for the month of February, they can refund the other sections if you are absent. So there is a flexibility in fee structure also. There is a flexibility in fee structure also. You can pay the fees for the 4 sections fee. You have to appear one test. If you drop the all the tests, they will refund the fees also. So kindly listen to. So 4 sections, highest score will be considered for the section. They will take the highest marks. So, but the benefit of the students, many boards have requested the NTA to conduct the JEE mains at least 2 times. But this year, Modi government has conducted this test. They are going to conduct this test for 4 times. So another feature of this test is mother tongue. The most important one is the test pattern. Test pattern 300 marks. 300 marks. Paper 1 BE BTech. Paper 2 BR in the afternoon. So let us go for paper 1, that is BE or BTech. BTech. So in paper 1 consists of mathematics, physics, chemistry. Physics 30, 30, 30. Total 90 questions are there. Total is paper 90 questions are there. Out of 90, you have to appear, you have to attempt 75 questions. 90 questions is available. You have to write only 75 questions. That means mathematics, you have to attempt 25, physics 25, chemistry 25. 30 questions are available, 25. 30, 25, 30, 25. So among 90 questions, out of 90 questions, you have to attempt only 75 questions. Another section is, here, another advantage for the students community, part B, mathematics, part A, part B, mathematics, physics, part A, part B, chemistry, part A, part B. Part A, if you observe the part A, actually total how many marks? Each question carries 4 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. 75 into 4, 300 marks. 300 marks. At the same time, part A, there is a multiple choice questions. Part A, there is a multiple choice questions. 20, 20, 20, 20. Multiple choice question. There is a 1 mark will be deducted for wrong answer. Each question carries 4 marks. 1 mark will be deducted for wrong answer. For wrong answers. 20 into 4, 80 marks. 20 into 4, 80. 20 into 4, 80. Again, B. If you observe B, 10 questions will be available. These questions especially this is theoretical part, this is skillful. They have to examine the skill of the students. Numericals, they will stress on the numericals, this topic. Section B, the NTA is going to test the students' skill, that is numerical problems may be asked, numerical values. So here there is a possibility, there is a no question of negative mark. Out of 10, you have to only 5. You have to only 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. There is no negative mark. These 5 questions, there is no negative mark. Only 20 questions have negative mark. These are multiple choice. A, B, C, D, multiple choice. There is a negative mark. There is no negative mark. Here 20 plus 5, 25. 25 mathematics. 25 mathematics. Physics 25. Chemistry 25. Total 75. 75 into 4, 300. Fetching point is section B. There is no question of negative mark. 10 questions are choice is available. 10 questions they are going to give, but in this section B, they have to examine the candidate's numerical ability, skillful ability. So kindly numerical value you have to write that one. That questions is based on the mathematics type questions. Section B. Out of 10 they will going to give. Out of 10 you have to write only 5. There is no negative mark. There is a choice in section B. They are going to give 10 questions. There is a choice in section B. You have to attempt only 5 questions. There is no negative mark. So section A 20 mathematics, 5 B, section B. Here there is no negative mark. Here there is a negative mark. For every wrong answer deducted by 1 mark. So out of 4 marks, 1 mark will be deducted. Kindly keep it in mind. So you must be very cautious. 20, 20, 20, 80. Here 5, 5, 5, 5. So total questions mathematics 25, 25, 25. Total questions 75. Each question carries 24 marks, 300 marks. 300 marks. So this is a no doubt our government has taken a very historical step in this issue. So be vigilant, be careful. For zero, if you have in the afternoon section there is a BARC and BARC examination available. Morning section at the same time 16th December 22, 16th January, the last date. Kindly keep it in mind. This station opening 16th December 22, 16th January. 16th January. So this station kindly keep it in mind. 16th December 22, 16th January. So these are all the most important features of JEE main examinations. So please understand once again. JEE Mains 2021 exams will be in the 4 schedules: February, March, April, May. Last date is this. He has to apply all the exams, all sections at one time. He has to pay fees. If he is not at all, he has failed to attend the examination, they can refund the fees also. So there is a multiple choice 20, 20, 20. There is no negative mark in section B. There is a choice 10 questions. You have tried only 5, 5, 5, 5. I wish you all the best. Out of 300 marks, very tough competition. But students have access. They can improve the score. If they have shown poor performance in one examination, again they have to appear with a renewed vigor to appear the second examination at the same third examination. So this type of examination pattern will reduce the regional imbalances. At the same time, they reduce the imbalances among public sector and private sector. Even government sector also, student can also appear the examinations in most confident manner, in a befitting manner. So definitely, especially downtrodden people have great access to crack the JEE main and JEE advanced examinations in the NG in 2021. I wish you all the best. God bless you.